Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to level up the jets and helicopters with bots in Battlefield 6 and you're wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. So for Battle 6 portal, you can just go over in the card for portal, go to a vehicle practice or XP forms like 6 GVY, which puts you on Operation Firestorm with disabled damage, but vehicles available. So you can look out for popular servers or within the space right here, you can scroll and go to the section for experience search and you can use your own server browser. So within here, you can just go and select this option for browse servers or search for experience and the space should open up on your screen. You can directly use the search bar right here and there type in the vehicle that you are trying to use the bot with in Battlefield 6. So type in that, and once you type in it, you can also sort it out. For example, the most liked, that should give you the one that may be popular. So you can just go and edit it out, and once you filter it out, you should be getting all of the experiences available on your screen right there. Now, if you want to look out for the jets and helicopter with bots, you can directly look out for the practice with bots in it. The second option right there on the portal. So you can just go over and select it up right here. And once that is done, you need to select the option of host from the option right there once you select it. After you select host, you can set up the hosting setup. You can scroll down until you reach over to the section called host locally. So you can locally host only available for custom portal experiences. So you can just go over and do so. And once you do so, you should be entering the game. You can just go over and uh, fly to capture drones and sit within them to earn the significant continuous XP. As these capture times are often extended in the bot matches, and you can even destroy enemy bots and spot them for your team to earn hardware mastery XP for your specific aircraft. Also complete challenges and also stay alive. You can switch between the first and the person views and utilize the free look for better situational awareness. And Operation Firestorm is often used in this practice mode due to its size and vehicle availability. You can just go and do so, and remember that the actions in the specific vehicles can earn XP for that vehicle, unlocking attachments and cosmetics. You can just go and do so and level up jets and helicopters with bots in Battlefield 6. And that's it, everybody. We may follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.